Good morning, guys. It's time. What time is it? Time to switch out of my pink purse into my more fall black purse. Now, I'm doing this maybe a little bit early, and there's a big reason why. And honestly, I just don't love this bag. I try so hard to love it because I love the way it feels. I love the way it looks. This is that Coach bag that I had gotten from that Coach outlet, and I think it's really cute. It's really heavy. I don't like how it flaps open like this, and I thought that I would, but I do not. And it has, things just get lost in it, I feel like. And I have that middle section, which I like, with this big makeup bag, but honestly, it's heavy and I never get into it. So I don't really think I'm going to carry this makeup bag. It's been a hard decision, or maybe I will clean it out and just put a few little things in it, but I don't really think I need a whole makeup bag for that. So I don't know. I'm still on the fence with that. I guess we'll see when we're doing this together. So let me show you my new bag. This is a new bag, but I didn't get it just now, but it is a Betsy Johnson, and it's adorable. One thing that I love about it is the bow. I also love that it has this handle, and then it also has a strap that I can use. And then my favorite thing is that the inside is totally different colors. I don't like it when the bag is black on the inside and you're going to dig for something and it's all crazy. So I like a good colored inside. So I'm excited about that. So I am probably going to use a strap, I'm thinking. So I'm going to take the plastic off. Of the strap, and this is the strap. And then take the plastic off the handles. And I do have several black bags. I actually have a gray bag that is similar to this, but I decided on the black one to go ahead with and start in the black one just because, and normally I would probably do a different color before I went straight into black, but I like the size of this and I like the inside. So I don't know, if I switch to the gray one later, then I switch to the gray one, but black you can use all the time, I think. I'm going to trim off the little plastic that they had to hold the strap on, and I'm also going to trim off the price tag, which I did not pay this price. Let's see. It says the manufacturer retail price is $98. I did not pay that. I got this at TJ Maxx or something, I believe. I'm not even sure how much I paid for it, but it was in my price budget, so that's what I did. Oh, it does say Betsy Johnson right here. So I can take that off, and let's see. One thing that I'm not sure if I love, I'm noticing now that, oh, this clips off maybe. No. So this inside pocket zips in, and it looks like it might clip out because it has these little metal grommet things, but it doesn't come off, and those aren't snaps. And it also can be twisted so it doesn't stay in. So it's not exactly two compartments, and I'd rather have two compartments rather than just one big pocket with this thing in the middle that flops around. So that's the only thing that I can tell you so far that I'm not loving about it. I love this little heart zipper pull. And I like to have a middle pocket. Oh, and it has a different pattern on the inside of it. It has like little rosebuds. So there's rosebuds in the middle of that one and roses on the inside of the other part. So let's see, let's just go ahead and start working on it. I'm just going to put my wallet in there. I'm not going to go through everything like I have before because you guys, I've done this before and you saw what was in it before and I haven't really changed much. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my wallet in it, and I'm going to put my wallet in, I think I'm going to put it in the front section. Of course, it just falls over and takes up the whole bottom. And let me take out the things that I like to have in here. I do like to have my headphones. So I'm going to leave those in there. I also have my iPod earbuds, which I also like, and I'm going to put those in the middle just because I like these to be extra protected because this is expensive and it's little, so I'm afraid I'm going to lose it. So I like to put it in a separate zippered pocket or something. So I'm going to put it in that middle part. Maybe I'll put you guys down a little bit so you can kind of see. I'm putting it in this middle part here. And then I don't really use my poopery. I don't take my purse into the bathroom very often, so I don't think I'm going to take that with me, like on the go. I do think I'm going to take my Kleenex because I do like to have that around. And I'm going to take my Pepto because I do like having that. And I also have some acetaminophen, and I'm going to put that in with my Advil. Now, I'm not supposed to take NSAIDs, so I shouldn't have the Advil. But I just had this because I used to take Advil. I like Advil. But I'm going to switch it to the acetaminophen. And I just fill that up with this. And then now I can put that in here. And then I don't have to carry this big thing around either. Okay, and I definitely need a nail file and some regular lip gloss. And then I like to carry another, so let's see. Here's some perfume. That is nice to have. It's a little heavy, but I'm going to put my CoverGirl. This is my favorite go-to lipstick, although it is a 24-hour lipstick, so I don't really know why I need it in there. And I'm also going to put this bougie one in here because that's my favorite other go-to that's not a 24-hour one. And then I have these Listerine mints. I'm going to put those in there. And I have a spare pair of earrings that I don't think I'm going to put in here because I don't wear them because they're in here and I never remember. So I think the other stuff that I have, my other lip glosses and a silly fidget spinner, and I'm going to go ahead and throw these safety pins in just because they don't take up any spot. The hand sanitizer, I think I'm just going to leave all of that out. The hand sanitizer would be nice for my car, but I don't really need it in my purse. And then I also carry, and I know this sounds probably funny to some of you, my Crystal Light packages and a Splenda. And I like having this just because sometimes I need it. So I have my Crystal Light just packages and a Splenda package. And I'm just going to keep those in there too because there's no separate pocket. If there were, I would put it in there, but there isn't. So let's see. Oh, I have two more Splendas. I'm just going to put them all in there. I have some Tic Tac gum. I'm not going to put that in there. I have the stuff from church. I do like having some stevia, but because I have the Splenda packets, I'm going to just stick with the Splenda packets because I don't particularly care for the stevia. I like stevia. I just don't care for the squirty kind for whatever reason. It just doesn't work very well for me. And I do like my hand lotion. I'm just going to put that on the bottom of my purse, though, I think, in the back. That might be it for the middle section. And then I'm just going to see what I need to fill up with the rest. These are like gift cards and complimentary passes and things like that, which these are probably all expired. Yes, indeed. Oh, well. I'm going to put those in the middle. and my pen. I'm going to put that down at the bottom. And then I do have this that I like to carry, and it is just a cute little charm thing, but it has a USB thing, so I can charge my phone, which I really like. So I am going to, I don't know if I want it on my bag. I don't know, maybe I'll clip it on the outside here and see how that works out. If I end up not liking it there, then I might just throw it inside my bag, which is what I kind of did before. I just kind of left it hanging in like that, which I could maybe still do. I'll just leave it like that. Now I have one more section in this bag to look through. And it's mostly stuff from church that I have in here, so I don't need that. Oh, my checkbook. I literally have a fork. Oh, some almonds. That's always good to have some protein. Receipts. My checkbook, I'm going to put that in there too. Who writes checks anymore? I do not. Do you guys write checks? But I do like having my checkbook just in case I need it for something, or in case I need to write a check for whatever reason. I also have this little notebook. And another pen. Which it is nice to have a little notebook. I think I'm going to put it in the middle because I don't want it to get ruined. I'm just going to throw my pen in the bottom. So that, I think, is everything that I'm going to switch out. I'm going to leave this. I think I'm just going to keep this in this bag for now. I don't know. And I just couldn't get used to this bag for whatever reason. I do like it, and I'm not saying that I won't try it again. And I got it dirty with some chocolate, so it's kind of a mess in there. So maybe I'll even try to clean it before I put it away. But yeah, I'm just not that excited about it. Maybe I should try to, I don't know, do something with it, but we'll see. I will try it again. I do like the bag. It's a pretty bag. I just couldn't get the hang of carrying it the way that I wanted to. Oh, and my sunglasses, I will leave those in there. And then I have gum, but I have one piece left. So I'm just going to take that piece out and throw this away, and I'm not going to put that in my purse. And I have this gum, and I don't really like it very much, so I'm going to put this in a drawer in the kitchen we have for whoever wants stuff. So I'm going to put that in there, and I think I might do that with this stevia too, because I don't need that in my bag. So that's everything. So that's what's in my bag. And I like having the option of the handle, but not having to use the handle. So I don't know. We'll see how that works out. I'm going to stick it in here for now. And there we go. So thanks so much, guys. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.